Okay, so when you log on as username single A with the password that I sent you in the email with this as well, you're logged on as a local administrator on that computer. Now, if you open up this PC, or you can use Windows E, you'll see a network location called AH Drive. You open that up, there's only one program on it. I'm going to double click on the Air Secure browser. It's going to say, do you want to run it? Yes. Next. Accept the terms. Next. Custom. Next. Install. Yes, accept. It's going to copy the files and it's going to finish. It's only going to be that fast if you do it connected to the network. I would recommend using those 6 install locations. Have the kids set them up on the table next to it, and we'll move them down as we get them installed. That's where we can get 6 done at a time really fast. Once you finish, you can shut down the computer and you're done. This log only works from 12 till 1. It will not work after 1 o'clock. So the idea is that hopefully we'll have all those done by 1 o'clock.